Hello everyone. So I am doing this merry-go-round. I already did one and I was so happy with it, and I thought, well, why not show how I made it, because I do need to make another one. Of course, I am still working on Christmas gifts, and so this is just another one that I'm making. And I'm going to use these violet chameleon flakes, and I'm gonna put them in the top and the bottom. And I will probably just put this on fast motion while I go through putting this on here. These colors are so pretty, and I'm thinking, why don't I do this more often? I love the color in there. I'm going to use some Craftor UV resin and put these lights in the bottom. So putting these lights in and getting them tacked down, it takes a little bit of time. I have this sped up by 5 times, I think, and it just takes some time to get it secured. And then what I also found too was I ended up having to pull it up and cure it from underneath also. So, but it worked out all right, and I'm super happy with it. It's only the second time I've ever put lights in anything. That's it. The first time was with the first one I made for Ariella, and this one is for Lila. Okay, so I've mixed up 6 ounces of Craftor 1:1 resin, put an ounce in the little cup for my horses. I'm going to add 4 drops of purple Let's Resin alcohol inks and stir that up. And then I'm going to add in some gold flakes, not too many, just a little bit, to put some little gold flakes in there for what might show through. And then we're gonna pour. So I end up moving around some of those gold flakes, and then I put some chunky pink glitter into that little cup with 1 drop of the purple alcohol inks, and I'm gonna pour my little horses. These are such cute little horses. And they hardly take any resin. I don't really care for those circles in them, so I think if you put the glitter in, it really just kind of, they don't show. These are super cute, super cute little carousel. You should try it out. So simple. I bought mine on Amazon. I'm sure there's other places you can get them at, but that's where I got mine, at Amazon. Alright, so we're going to demold all these pieces. And I just want to say, when I first got this in the mail after I ordered it, I was like, oh my goodness, it's so small. But since I've made this little carousel, it is so adorable. And I'm thinking about making a Christmas one, because it'd be a really cute decoration for Christmas or any time. I hope my granddaughters love these. They're made specially for them with lots of love. Lots of grandma love sent to my beautiful little girls. So I decided to outline the edges of my little horses with this Let's Resin Chrome marker in gold, and I'm gonna do that to all the horses, and then we'll come back and we'll put this whole little carousel together. I'm going to be using E6000 to glue all these pieces together. I'm just going to use a toothpick and rub it on the bottom of that horse where it goes into those little holes, little crevices, and continue to do that for all of them. And I'm sorry it's not in camera, but you know, sometimes that happens. So now I'm going to put the little pole on. When I put the top on the carousel, I have to put bottles up around it to keep it in its place. See, it's moving everywhere, so I stuck bottles all the way around it just to hold it in place until the glue was set. Now I'll come back and I'll show you my final results. So here it is. It's so cute. I love it. And what a great Christmas gift. It has 3 different ways to light up. It stays lit. It has a fast blinker and a slow blinker. And they're adorable. And here's the other one I made. So Lila and Ariella's little carousels are done. What a great project. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. See you next Monday. And hopefully Tanya and August will be back next Monday. Bye, guys.